In this video, we'll show the possibilities of pyAEDT automation in AEDT Icepak. Once we launch the Python script, AEDT will fire up and import a step file. Note that many other formats are supported, such as CATIA, Creo, Inventor, and SOLIDWORKS, among others. The script proceeds to simplify the geometry, identify fan and grill objects, assign heat loads and boundary conditions, and create 12 mesh regions, each with custom mesh controls. Once meshing is complete, the script automatically starts writing the input files for the solver. Here we decided to have the AEDT GUI open and interact with it while the script is running. However, this is not required as we have the ability to run the script without any GUI or user interaction. As we can see, the script applied good mesh settings and all objects are appropriately resolved, even the small leads and package devices. Once the solution process is complete, the results are loaded in AEDT and the script automatically creates 4K image files in custom orientations. The script then uses the open source Python PPTX module to add the post-processing images into a PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, pyAEDT automation allows the full scope of end-to-end simulation, from CAD cleanup to setting boundary conditions, meshing, solving, and post-processing. For more information on how to automate your workflows, please reach out to our support and sales teams, and also visit the pyAEDT website at aedtdocs.pyansys.com.